Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see right here, it's from T-Rex Arms. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have a Multicam dump pouch from T-Rex Arms. This is one of my favorite dump pouches. So one reason why I really love it is that it's really compact. So this is where it folds over or folds into. So if I recall, so I have the version 1. And basically the difference with the version 1 and this one, or from the previous generation I should say, is that this one has a mesh bottom, whereas the other one has a little eyelet for stuff to drop through. So this allows for mesh to drop through, but I'm curious how long this mesh will last because mesh is pretty thin. So I guess JRTC will be the test for that. Thankfully these were in stock. These usually sell out pretty quickly. Glad I checked the website and saw what was in stock and what was out of stock. So right here, I believe, yep. So this is a cover piece, and then there is another piece. I believe this wraps over your belt as such, and I like this system because it works with any belt essentially, and you don't have to molly-web anything in, which is super convenient. And also a nice part about this belt is that it wraps up. So basically fold it flat, you tuck the sides in like this as such, and then it rolls up into a super compact package. When I tested this out on my belt, it only took up two wide of molly webbing, and as you can see, I don't know how this works, I'll have to figure that out, but it just goes over like this. And also another thing I like about this pouch is that there's these little straps here, which works with this. So this goes around and clips over your thigh so that it's not flopping around behind you. Better for noise discipline and better retention. I will say my only slight complaint about this pouch is that it's a bit on the smaller side, but overall for quick range days and quick work, this does the job. I can put 3 to 4 mags easily in here, or snacks, or a water bottle, or whatever, but this will hold it and this will do the job. Super glad that T-Rex Arms has these back in stock. The multicams sell out quickly. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.